We are on our way to St. Joseph's to stay the night in a Cracker Barrel.
St. Joseph's, Missouri.
Missouri. And then we're going on to Sioux Falls. And we're going to Sioux Falls. We're going to stay South Dakota. We're going to stay the night in the state park. And then we're going to boondock in the Badlands on the wall. So
it's going to be so weird. Hopefully it's not windy as all get out.
Fingers crossed. It shouldn't be.
No.
No. Things just work out for us.
Turn left on the US 65 North Ramp to Springfield.
There we go.
Did you leave anything for the store? Oh my God. And you got a bad cart. Look at the wheel.
I was
Right there, that wheel is bad.
I was just thinking how glad I am that I'm somewhere where no one knows me, because I look like a complete fool and my foot is swollen from ant bites.
Oh.
And I got all the wine in the whole store.
Did you?
So yeah, we're good for a little while. 21 bottles, yeah. I don't know when I'm gonna have another Aldi.
Yeah, I know. Well, we will. I think they're still building them everywhere.
So
All right. Cool.
we are meal prepped and ready to go all the way to like for a month almost, because we have
Good.
stuff in the freezer.
Excellent.
So
Look at all this. Oh my goodness.
well, it's more than it looks. I love Aldi. It's like the only way to shop right now.
It is, huh?
Yeah, and I don't know when we'll have another. They're popping up quite all over the place.
Well, there's definitely going to be one in Grand Junction. Maybe not so much in Wyoming. Maybe in Casper.
This one's really heavy. This is like all
All right, here, I'll get that.
canned stuff. It's really. I mean, you want to hold it from the bottom.
All right. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll get the light stuff.
It's okay. I already got the bread and chips.
That's it. Dear goodness.
I don't have very much stuff to put back in the fridge though, because we're pretty.
Oh my God! Look at all that wine, Megan. I said we were going to boondock a little bit, for God's sake.
You're giving away my secret that the Winking Owl Sauvignon Blanc is the best wine. I mean,
No, we're not going to tell anybody. Keep that to yourself. All right, everybody, disregard. Disregard.
where are we?
We're at the Bass Pro Shop. We're going to go get some Walhburgers. It's the Pyramid Bass Pro Shop in Memphis, Tennessee. You got to look at that. That's cool. Look at this guy.
Oh, and our trailer's right back there.
Look at the bridge. Over there.
Whoa, sorry, I just made people dizzy. Oh, cool. And there's our camper. We're gonna be there for the night. Got our poochies. So, long day.
Yeah, over here.
We had to lock up our house in Alabama. We're heading out west, baby.
That's right.
Yeah.
That's cool. Bill Dance. I grew up watching him. There it is. It's like Christmas. There's the bowling alley. Well, good morning. It's like 6 a.m. Don't know if you can hear that. That's our generator. Thing is awesome. It's a little Generac IQ 3500. Thing runs everything. So, yeah, this place was pretty cool. You can see they got security back there. And we're not the only ones over here. There was a semi right here. Right there. And then there's that guy. He's got his generator going too, which is nice. I got campers all over the place. It's really pretty cool. Not much sleep because it sounds like a dump truck's going over your bed. And what a great spot. Security, the whole deal. So, highly recommend this for sure. Alright, we gotta make some coffee and get on the road. Going by this. This is awesome.
This is where we boondocked last night. Right down there.
Going across the bridge.
Whoop, whoop.
We're gonna be in Arkansas. Look at that, that's really cool.
And in a couple hours, we'll be in the Show Me State.
Oh yeah, there we go. All right. Yummy. What are we gonna do today?
Oh, we're going on a mountain roller coaster.
Hey, can you turn on a light for me?
Hold on, listen.
So we're gonna go on a bike ride, we're gonna get a picnic
And we're gonna get a picnic.
with our fancy blow-up chairs.
Yeah, the banana hammocks.
Yeah.
Remember?
Yeah, those are cool. Alright, so this ought to be fun. This roller coaster, I heard there's zip lines there too.
Oh my
I don't know what that's
Hold
gonna be like. So, I don't know what that's gonna be like, but there's zip lines, maybe, and roller coasters.
I mean, zip lines, I could like, they're fun and everything, but this is like there's like the largest mountain roller coaster it's supposed to be around.
In the Midwest.
I don't know if that's in Branson or the whole Midwest or what, but it's the largest mountain roller coaster in Branson. It's on Branson Mountain. We're gonna go do it. We're both gonna be drivers because we both want to.
Yeah, it's gonna be fun. So I think there might be a bigger one in the Swiss Alps.
Maybe.
All right.
Google.
Yeah, let's go have some fun.
Okay.
You can see me.
So that's perfect for the view, right? Okay.
Push your handles down now. After passing the building, you're in control of your car. So final reminders, maintain a moderate speed on the downhill track.
Oh God. Oh God. For you. All right, it tells you to slow down. Okay. That was cool, man.
It's confusing. You just
It is.
slow down, but then there's brakes there.
Well, I always listen to a live human. There you go.
Go. We got our lunch. And we've got a nice little spot. We just realized that there's a city campground with full hookups right on the river. And if we were here for a couple more nights, we probably would go back to our campground. Not that it's not a really awesome campground, but this is just so cool. The dogs could run free.
Oh man, this is amazing.
Yeah.
This is so, I mean, look at this. And we got it all to ourselves.
There's no one here. Like, I don't know what happened to Branson, but it's like I think we're the only
Out of towners?
tourists.
I'm not a tourist.
No, you're a local?
I'm a local. Man.
You're a local wherever you go?
That's right.
All right.
Did you put my key in over here?
No.
Do you have my key?
No. I gave it to you when you unlocked the bikes.
Why would you do that?
There you go. Let's do this. Let's go find a spot. I'm hungry.
Yeah. Okay.
All right. Super fun.
Wait, let me see.
Yeah, buddy.
You gotta put your tail right in the center. I wonder if we're doing it backwards. 'Cause there's a hole in the other end.
This is fine. I think this is the way it's supposed to be.
Hey. Here you go, babe. Mm-hmm.
All right, this does not suck.
Cheers.
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 I always want Mexican food.
Crazy. It's like an outside mall, right in Branson. How is it?
Yummy.
It's the best. No, that's really good. Look at that. Look at the salsa. She made me do it. This is really nice. So if you're coming and you're going to, Mount Rushmore, all that stuff, you should, and you're coming this way, this is on the way there. If you're coming this way, you should definitely hit this place.